guys, my name is Parush. Welcome back to Mr. Phone. And when we talk about the Amazon Alexa, what may come to your mind is you sitting in your cozy apartment and giving instructions to your Echo device. But now your life is about to get way easier because the brand new Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro supports Alexa voice assistant integration to enable ease of everyday tasks and hands-free experience. So now in this video we are going to show you how you can enable this hands-free experience on your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro with the help of Amazon Alexa. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from Mr. Phone. So guys, let's quickly show you how you can set up the Amazon Alexa on your Mi 10T Pro. Just open the Google Play Store and search for Alexa. Install the app on your device and then you will be guided through a step-by-step process. First, of course, you have to sign in with your Amazon account. Just enter your ID and password. And then you can choose between English or Hindi as your preferred language. That's right, you can talk to Alexa in Hindi as well. And then you have to make sure that you are inside a quiet room so that you can train your voice. It's a very simple process, don't worry about it. Alexa, 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 Alexa. And then guys, the app will be installed and you can start enjoying a hands-free experience. You have to enable this setting in the app itself that you don't have to touch the device, and you just have to say Alexa, and then it will automatically light up, as in the display will light up. You will be able to enjoy Alexa on your device hands-free. So guys, we are done with setting up Alexa on the Mi 10T Pro, and let's begin with the hands-free experience. Let's first play some music, shall we? Alexa, play Prateek Kuhad songs.
Shuffling songs by Prateek Kuhad on Amazon Music.
Alexa, change the song. See, now you can ask Alexa to change the song as well, and you can also shuffle between different playlists. Alexa, add this to my playlist.
To which playlist?
Favorites.
Would you like to create a new playlist called Favorites?
Yes.
Adding Kho Gaye Hum Kahan to your favorites playlist.
Alexa, play a different playlist.
Here's a popular playlist, Bollywood Soul Soothers, on Amazon Music.
You can also tap on the play menu in the Alexa app and change your default music service to Spotify, Apple Music, Gaana, Saavn, and more. Now let's show you how you can stay updated with the latest cricket scores. Alexa, what's the update on India-Australia match?
Last Sunday, the 29th of November, Australia beat India by 51 runs in an ODI match. Australia won the toss and decided to bat first. They scored 389 for 4. India scored 338 for 9.
You can also ask about the weather updates for the entire week. Alexa, give me the weather updates for the entire week.
Currently, in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, it's 20 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. You can expect more of the same today, with a high of 27 degrees and a low of 11 degrees.
So guys, one of the really cool features about Alexa and me is the skills feature. I personally love this feature because there are 30,000 different skills that you can use on the Alexa app. For example, you can order a pizza from Domino's or Pizza Hut, whatever is your choice, and then you can also get to know the status about your bill payments. You can also play some games with Alexa, for example, rock, paper, scissors. You can ask for some jokes. You can also ask to play some soothing tunes so that you can relax during your busy schedule. You can create a shopping list for your groceries as well. Alexa, please add eggs, bread, and cheese in my shopping list.
I added eggs, bread, cheese to your shopping list.
Alexa on the Meet NT Pro is a must-have, as it does most of the work you don't need to do with your hands. It's an overall smooth experience with the Meet NT Pro's 144Hz refresh rate display and Alexa on board. So guys, this is how you can enable a completely hands-free experience on your Xiaomi Meet NT Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max using the Alexa voice assistant.